Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate FordPass Pro for fleet EV charging management, full guide step by step clearly. To activate FordPass Pro for fleet EV charging management, start by ensuring that you have the latest version of the FordPass Pro app installed on your mobile device. Open the FordPass Pro app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the fleet section located on the main dashboard. Tap on Add Vehicle to begin the process of linking your electric vehicle. You will be prompted to enter the vehicle identification number, or VIN. Locate the VIN on your vehicle and type it into the provided field. After entering the VIN, tap Submit to add the vehicle to your fleet. Once the vehicle is successfully added, go to the charging section in the app. In the charging section, select Manage Charge Settings. Here, you can set specific charging schedules based on your fleet's needs. Take advantage of the Charging Preferences feature to optimize energy costs. You can also enable notifications to keep track of charging status and updates. After setting your preferences, go back to the main dashboard and monitor all your vehicles. Regularly check the charging status of each vehicle in your fleet through the app. You can view real-time data and history to manage efficiency effectively. If any issues arise during activation or management, refer to the help section within the app. For additional troubleshooting, consider reaching out to Ford support for assistance. That's all you need to activate FordPass Pro for effective fleet EV charging management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.